Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app, you should just go to Settings. Here in this page you click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Then this list you will enter to the app of Drive. Here in this page of App Info you will click on First Stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to Storage. Here we click Clear Cache. Don't click Clear Data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.